At 8:45, I'm taking the pot, my special pot, that of parrot feather. It's something, the pot was kept inside, and let us check. And I wanted to show you what exactly has happened to the plant that is there in open in the mist in the winter horrible season. Keep waiting. Here I am on the terrace giving my pot a dip in the water and hanging it. And this is what we see every morning compared to the one. See, even this has opened. And here is the cute thing that I see every morning. That dewdrop. I see that on almost every yeah, even here it is there. I think it is visible. Can you see that? Turn around. Let's check this. I don't see any dew over there. Rest of the shoots. Here is one. We zoom on that so that you can observe it. See, two are there visible. That's what I wanted to show about this pretty plant that is used in aquariums and only for ornamental purpose. Here it is. I wanted to show you that. Let us. I got it dropped down. That is one cute thing. There is one here also. Let us tap it and drop it down. Get it dropped down. Now, both my plant and this will look the same. There is one. Here is one. That's what I wanted to show you. This strange dewdrop. It is not strange, in fact. All the plants will be having it. But how beautiful it is to see the same on the parrot feather. That's it. For this shot, have a nice day.